Hi everyone, this is Bilal Amer presenting on behalf of Recovery Mate. So initially I'll start off with an introduction to the three different platforms that we would be using. So one is the platform for the doctors. The second is the platform to be used by Aesthetic Life for the different commerce products. And the third is the platform again to be utilized by Aesthetic Life to manage all of their invoice. So now on the doctor portal, I've gone ahead and signed in to a certain doctor's account. If a doctor's account is not made, they can just go ahead and sign up on the account as shown in the initial picture. So we can see that all of the products are listed over here. We've also segregated the products in terms of services and in terms of different products as well. Let me just go ahead and show you the platform that is to be utilized by Aesthetic Life. The first platform to be utilized by Aesthetic Life is the Zoho Commerce Dashboard, where all of the products and services are listed. It also shows us the pending orders, the shipping statuses, and obviously the top orders that we have, the top selling product that we have, and also the traffic on our portal or website, as you can call it. We can see that all of the orders are summarized over here in terms of their statuses, whether the order has been completed, whether the payment has been completed, and whether the shipping has been completed or not. Coming on to the second platform that is to be utilized by the organization, that is the Zoho Invoice platform, that is the invoicing platform. This is probably one of the most important platforms for Aesthetic Life, because we can see over here that it is showing us a complete summary of all of our receivables. So at present we've made a total of 96,978 rupees of sales, and of that 19,000 has been completed. That means the payment of those has been made. We can also see this segregated in terms of this quarter, a month, a week, and etc. The customers are also listed over here, along with being listed on the Zoho Commerce dashboard as well. Let's now proceed to place an order with the account of Dr. Jared. So let's say Dr. Jared wants to receive a tattoo and birthmark removal treatment for his patient, obviously. So we can see that the procedure cost for the patient is 10,000 rupees, but the profit that Aesthetic Life would be making off of this is 1,000. So let's add this to cart. We also want to receive another service, which is a face whitening treatment. So let's add that to cart as well. And that is about it for shopping today. We're going to go ahead and proceed to checkout. As we can see that our address is also already updated over here, because this was changed when we made our account initially, so we don't have to worry about that. The tax has been updated as well. We can see that a total of 13.5% GST has been applied, and the shipping method we want to apply is a trusted staff delivery. This is the summary of our order, and we can now proceed to complete this order. Once completed, we would receive a notification on the same portal that our order has been confirmed. Similarly, an email is generated to us that shows us of our current order that has been placed, and an email is also generated to towards the platform for Aesthetic Life, the email for Aesthetic Life, which is here. We can see that an order has been placed by Dr. Jared. Coming on to the Zoho Commerce dashboard, we can see that we now have an updated one new order, and we can see that this has been placed by Dr. Jared, and all of the statuses are obviously as pending right now. So we'll proceed to see the more details of this order. As we can see, this is the complete detail of the order, and all of these details will be updated as we move ahead in the service. As we can see here that we have not yet confirmed the order, so this would be reflected onto the portal for the doctors as well. So let's have a quick check at that. So once we see the status is as pending for the doctor right now in his ongoing orders. Let's go back and confirm this order and see how that affects. So we've now confirmed the order, and we also want to begin its shipment. So we've changed two statuses over here. That is, we've confirmed the order, and we've also started off with the shipment. So order status changed to confirmed and shipment status. Let's see if that has been updated in the doctor's portal. So yes, we can see that the status for the doctor has also been changed to shipped. Along with that, this has also been reflected in the doctor's email ID that was given to us. So the order was confirmed and then the order was shipped to the doctor. Order has been confirmed and order has been shipped to the doctor with all of the details as well. Let's have a quick reflection at what Zoho Invoice is showing us of these details so far. As we can see in the invoices platform that an order has been placed at this time and the total amount is 2,270, which is inclusive of the taxes. This is the invoice and the status is as sent because it has already been sent to the customer's email. Let's put down a expected payment date as today, so we'll update this as same day delivery. As we can see that a payment reminder would be sent on April 20th on the same day which is to be sent. Now let's come back to the Zoho Commerce dashboard and proceed to complete the order. So we've marked as delivered on the same day. The order has been delivered, see, and the next step would be of the payment. Once the order has been delivered, an email would also be generated automatically towards both Aesthetic Life and the doctor. As we can see that this is the email generated towards Aesthetic Life and it's showing us that the delivery has been made to Dr. Jared Waters. Similarly, Dr. Jared Waters has also been notified of the delivery of his order. Not to mention all of these changes have also been updated in the initial platform from which the doctor placed the order. So let's see about the past orders. It's showing us as this order has been delivered. Now obviously the payment has not been made yet, so as we can recall that the order was placed on the same day and the order was also delivered on the same day, so we initially set up the expected payment date to be of the same day as well. So technically we should now have an invoice generated to remind us, and this is a reminder that is being sent internally. So we're obviously copied in this email that is being sent to Dr. Jared, that is showing the complete invoice of the pending payment, balance due 2770. Similarly, an invoice has been generated to Dr. Jared, and obviously that was the same email since we are copied in this email. So that is to notify the doctor that he has not completed the payment. Furthermore, we can see over here that in today that there is a lot of balance due. This is obviously from our current order and also another order. Once that date proceeds from one day, that would be updated over here in balance overdue. Let's go ahead and mark the payment as completed. So we've now made the payment mark as paid. Paid on delivery, paid on. So we can see that the status has been updated where it shows that it has been paid on delivery. We can also go and cross-verify this in our invoices portal if needs. Here we can see that this payment has been completed. Similarly, let's say in the long run that a certain patient has that a certain doctor is unable to pay for one order and is able to pay for the other, and how would we be able to filter that out? So we go to the payments received option over here, and we can just set a filter over here to. So I can just head over to the invoices part and click over here to unpaid invoices, and we can see that this invoice is a former invoice that was unpaid by Dr. Jared, and this is another invoice by Mr. Bilal Amir that is unpaid. So this allows us to filter out all of our unpaid invoices. Moreover, the current payment that was made has been updated in the portal over here. So total sales are 4313 and the total receipts are this, and this is the due amount. In the Zoho Commerce dashboard, we can also see that the status has been updated. Thank you for your time. We hope we've resolved the problem of our partners. Thank you.